Here's the video answer key to the March 1st homework. All right, so let's look at number 1. Here, they're right next to each other, form a right angle, so therefore these guys are called complementary angles, or complementary angles. And they add up to 90 degrees. So my equation will be 9x minus 28 plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 90 degrees. What I'm going to do is you're going to combine like terms. So here and here. So you have 16x minus 22 equals 90. Add 22 to both sides. You get 16x is equal to 112. Divide that by 16. X is equal to 7. All right, so once you have that, now you need to plug 7 in for x. So here I have 9 times 7 minus 28. So 9 times 7 is 56 minus 28 is going to give me 35 degrees. And the other one is 7 times 7 plus 6. So 7 times 7 is 49 plus 6. That will give me 55 degrees. So let's check. When we add these together, 35 and 55, it gives me 90 degrees, and that is correct. Let's go on to number 2. Here, there are supplementary angles, and supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So I have 7x minus 23 plus, let's actually do a different color, plus 2x minus 22 equals 180. Let's combine like terms. And I have 7x and 2x. So 7x and 2x gives me Okay, so 9x, and then negative 23 and negative 22 is going to give me negative 45 is equal to 180. Add 45 to both sides to get 9x by itself. So 180 plus 45 is going to give me 225. And we're going to divide that by 9. And that's going to give me 25. Once you have that, you're going to plug that in. So 7 times 25 minus 23. So 7 times 25 gives me 175 minus 23 gives me 152 degrees. The other one is 2 times 25 minus 22. So 2 times 25 is 50 minus 22 gives me 28 degrees. Add 28 degrees and 152 and you get 180 degrees. And next, here again you have supplementary angles equals 180. So here I have 5x minus 48 plus, I'm using a different color so you can see it, 3x plus 12 equals 180. Let's combine like terms. So I have 5x and 3x. So we have 8x and negative 48 plus 12, different signs, subtract and keep the sign a little larger. So I get negative 36 is equal to 180. Add 36 to both sides. All right, so 180 plus 36 is 216. Divide that by 8. X is going to give me 27. And then now we're going to substitute 27 in for x. So 5 times 27 minus 48. And that gives me 87 degrees. And then 3 times 27 plus 12. And that gives me 93 degrees. And when you add them together, they give you 180 degrees. All right, these guys are across from each other, so they're vertical angles, and they are equal. So my equation would be 12x is equal to 7x plus 35. Here we want to bring 7x over, and I get 5x is equal to 35. Divide by 5, x is equal to 7. So let's plug this in. 12 times 7 is 84 degrees, and 7 times 7 plus 35. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 35. And it gives me 84 degrees, and they match. Moving on to the next. Again, these guys are across from each other, so they are vertical angles, and they are equal. So my equation will be 9x minus 40 is equal to 5x plus 8. So what we want to do here, subtract 5x from both sides. I get 4x minus 40 is equal to 8. Add 40 to both sides. 4x is equal to 48. Divide that by 4. X is going to be 12. And then you're going to plug it into here. 9 times 12 minus 40. And that is 68 degrees. And here we have 5 times 12 plus 8. Oops. And that is going to give me, same thing, 68 degrees. And that works out. Moving on to the next one. These are complementary angles, and they add up to 90 degrees. So I have 4x minus 55 plus 13 plus 2x is equal to 90. Let's add like terms. So 4x and 2x. And that will give me 6x, and then minus negative 55 plus 13. And that will give me negative 42 is equal to 90. Add 42 to both sides. You get 6x is equal to 132. Divide that by 6. X is going to give me 22. And let's plug it in here. We got 4 times 22 minus 55. And I get 33 degrees. And then 13 plus 2 times 22. And that will give me 57 degrees. We're going to add 33 plus 57, and that gives you 90.